Rica, and I directly took a bus to Samara, where a friend of mine is living, who you might remember from the Miami vlog. And as you can see, it's rain season. But during the day it's pretty good.
Got a secret side in plain sight. Where the streets are empty, that's where we run. Everyday people do everyday things, but I can't be one of them. I know you hear me now. We are a different kind. We can do anything. We could be heroes. We could be heroes. Me and you.
Been in Samara for a couple of days now, and the motto of Costa Rica is Pura Vida, pure life, and that's really what these people are living.
I love you, Bobby. See you. Have fun in Manuel, Antonio. And I hope the next time I see you, I'll get another crazy tattoo.
They don't see it cause they don't understand. Spinning round and round for hours. You and me, we got the world in our hands. Everyday people.
As you can probably see on my head and hair around me, it's rainy season. But I don't let that spoil the fun. I'm in Manuel Antonio. Now I'm walking through the national park. Haven't seen a lot of it. Normally when the rain stops, all the animals should come out. So I'm really hoping for that.
Me and you. We could be heroes. We could be heroes. Me and you. We could be. We could be
I'm still in Costa Rica. By now I arrived in Monte Verde, which is a little bit up north from the capital, San Jose. And again, I got a special guest traveling with me for 2 weeks. And this time, it's my mom! So Monte Verde is our first destination, and of course we want to see more of the country. But first, just let's enjoy this beautiful sight. It's raining a little bit, but that's the best of it.
It's okay.
By now you know how big a fan I am of heights. And these bridges are high and they're shaky as fuck. So I enjoy the view a lot, but standing on these bridges with too much people, not good.
We will forever be faded on the cold sky, captivated in your cold eyes. We will forever be faded on the cold sky.
We're going to the waterfalls of the volcano today.
La Fortuna. La Fortuna.
And we're going in style on these horses.
this is it. 2 weeks Costa Rica with Bobby, and it was suddenly over and done with.
Yeah, my mom stayed here for only 2 weeks, and of course I had 4 of them. Still, time flew by too quick. But like always, there's a next adventure, a new adventure right across the border. And yep, looking forward to it.
You're still filming? It's over and done with. I will see you in December in Holland, hopefully at my Christmas table. Bye, Bobby. I love you.